Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this highlighted frontal wig. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this to look, continue watching. So I just want to shout out Alipearl Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. I'm just showing you guys the goodies that I received in my package. So I got some lashes, an edge control brush, an edge scarf, a wig cap, a melt band, a satin bag, and of course the wig itself. So this was a balayage highlight wig, and as you can see, it already came pre-plucked. I did go ahead and I bleached the knots a bit, but that was it, guys. Look at this hair. So it was a 13x4 frontal wig. So I'm just showing you guys the inside. There was 2 combs at the side, 1 comb at the back. It came with the adjustable bands, of course, and then it came with one inside the wig as well that you can take out if you wanted to. So I'm just showing you guys how full the ends were because I couldn't even believe it. But yeah, this is how it is looking. It was a balayage highlight wig, and we're gonna get into this install. As you can see, I look super hyped to go ahead and install this wig. And what I'm going to do first is just apply the got2b free spray to my hairline and just brush back any hairs that are in my way. And I will not be using a wig cap today, so you guys stay tuned for this install because I've been trying this new way to install my wigs and I have been loving it. So I'm going in with my concealer and my makeup brush, and I am just applying that to the back of the lace inside the wig. And once I've done that, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that wig on my head. So you wanna make sure that the wig is fitting your head properly before you go ahead and do anything. So I like to just brush it back and look at it from both ends. And I'm going to be using my hot comb to just comb back the hairs so I can see the hairline really good. Once I've done that, I'm going to part out any hair that is covering over my ears, and I'm just going to cut that off. So you want to make sure that you can visibly see your ears, and this is how it is supposed to look. So now I am just going to be working in sections. So I'm making 2 slits with my scissors, and I'm going in with my Ebin adhesive spray in the black container, and I'm just applying the adhesive to my hairline, and then I will be putting the lace on top of it. And once I've laid the lace on top of it, I'm using my blow dryer to dry it, and then I'll be taking my razor and I'll be razoring off the extra lace at the same time. So this is different than what I normally do. I was trying something new and I liked it, so hopefully you guys try it out. Let me know how you guys like it. This was probably my 2nd time attempting this, and it is better than just spraying it on the hair itself and putting the melt band on. So I'm basically just going to repeat it for the other 2 sections. As you can see, I'm just spraying it down, pulling that lace on top of it, drying it, and then cutting off the excess lace. So now I'm just going in with my adhesive, and I am just going to touch up any parts where the lace is lifting and just stick it down. I did go back in with my makeup brush, and I just used the concealer that was already on it and just patted down the hairline just to help for a better blend. And I also decided to go with a side part, so I will be doing a side part with curls. So I'm just parting out the side first, then I am going to part out the hairs that I'll be using for my baby hairs. And I also decided to spray the Ebin spray. This is the new trick. Instead of using the hot comb, I use the Ebin spray, spray it down, and it holds it down, so there's no need to press it out. Now I'm going in with my Murray's beeswax, and I'm just parting the frontal portion in sections, applying that to basically the root area, and using my hot comb to comb it down so it lays much flatter. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my baby hairs and style them. So I am going to be styling the hair today, and I decided to do some nice big curls. So I just went ahead and used my Bow Silk and put that all over the hair, and used my blow dryer, blow dried it out. I went in with my Tresemme holding spray, sprayed that all over the hair, and then decided to work in sections to achieve this style. So I did use my T3 curling iron to achieve this look. So just watch me as I work. So now that I have finished curling the hair, I'm just taking off my melt band and just combing through the baby hairs so that they look a bit softer and they're not just stuck on my head. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and touch up the front portion of the lace with my hot comb to just make it look nice and smooth. Then I'm gonna go ahead and comb through the curls just with my fingers. I'm just gonna comb it through. And once I've played with it a bit and I got it to how I like it, that is basically it. Like, it just looks so nice. These highlights, the balayage was so pretty. So I went in with my Paul Mitchell, of course, at the ending, and I just sprayed it on my hair, on my hands, put it everywhere so it looks nice and shiny. And I also went in with my olive oil and sprayed that all over as well. I did decide I wanted to conceal my part a bit, so I used that same concealer and I just took a really small brush and just followed the parting with the brush, and that was basically it, guys. Let me know in the comments how you guys are liking this style and this different technique that I used to install the wig, because of course I was loving it. So this is basically how it is looking when it was all done and I took off the cape. I loved it. Like, honestly, shout out Alipearl Hair Company for sending over this wig, because it is one of my favorites. So if you guys are interested in this unit, all the details will be down in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. Yeah, if you've made it this far, please be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment down below, let us chat, and yeah, like this video. So until next time, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.